$1.50. I absolutely adore this outfit. Controversial, I know. Welcome to yet another thrift vlog. I will say today at Salvation Army, everything is 50% off. So did that really drive this decision to go thrifting? Yeah, maybe it did. I want to find some tank tops, maybe dresses, skirts, fun pants, maybe some light sweaters. Honestly, whatever. I will probably end up having to do a voiceover because I'm a little shy, I'm a little nervous. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking to myself in the car. Let's get in there. Hoping and praying that the thrift gods are on my side today. Please, please, please. I'm so excited. The first thing I see when I walk in are racks and racks of color coordinated tank tops. I spent so much time in this section. I was in love with this yellow little number, but I was like, girl, no, I'm not going to wear it. I'm going to sweat through it. So I had to be a little bit more realistic. So I started looking at the darker colors and stuff. And then I was like, well, I'm not really a dark blue kind of girly either. But I did find this tube top and I love, 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 love tube tops. I did really like this Future Collective top. Coachella was pretty recent, so I had that in the back of my mind, but then I was like, girl, where am I going to wear this to? So I had to forget that dream. Same with this little tie top. I thought it was so cute, but I was like, I don't think it'll fit me right, so I put it back. This little vintage tank top, it is coming home with me because it is so beautiful. Yeah, I threw that into my basket. I know this is a summer thrift, but I still wanted to go through the long sleeves, the t-shirts, just to see if there would be a cute, fun, beachy cover up or any cute t-shirts. I saw this hummingbird one and I was losing my mind. I know I would never wear it, but I just wanted to sit there and admire it for a second because it was so beautiful. Now, I'm not really in the market for any new pants or jeans or any heavy material bottoms, but I was really hoping to find some linen pants of some sort. Spoiler, I didn't. I found this beaded skirt, which I don't really like a black base for a floral skirt, but the beading on it was so intricate and so beautiful. I admire, and then I put it back. Just because I like something doesn't mean I have to own it or possess it. I just admire it and then keep going. Another thrifting goal I have is to shop within the season that it currently is, but with the 50% off sale, I was losing my damn mind. I was like, no, I have to look at every single thing in this store, and I found these really cute Christmassy embroidered ones, and I thought they were so beautiful, but then I was like, no, they're not enough to make me break my thrifting out of season. And also this little jacket was so cute with the short sleeves and then the collar and the big buttons and the pattern. Obsessed with it. I just have nowhere to wear it to, unfortunately. I always like to round out my thrift trip with going through the ceramics and any decor. This one reminded me of stuff I would get at Justice or Claire's when I was a little girl, and I was so tempted to get it, but then I was like, no, I can admire it, but I have no use for it, and I don't even know what I would do with it or where I would put it. I also love to look at the little shelves where they put anything that they don't know where it goes. It just gets shoved on these shelves, and I feel like you can find the most fun random things, like this leopard print lampshade, Valentine's Day decor, Christmas decor, Easter decor. It doesn't matter. It is just so random. Flower pots, vases. On my way to the checkout, I passed the shoes in the bag, so I just did a quick little pit stop there just to see if there was anything catching my eye. I checked out, I'm back in the car, but I feel like I blacked out. Girl, I spent only $17.42, and tomorrow I am actually going to go thrifting with my roommate. I am going to go home, wash these, and then hopefully I will find even more stuff tomorrow. I think I got some good stuff. Again, I feel like I blacked out. I brought my emergency Coke Zero. I was in there for 2 hours. And it's a pretty small thrift store. I feel like I looked at everything 3 times, and it was, God, that just was so good. Look at this big ass bag. Anyway, okay.
Even last night I was like, I want something that's like...
I have my cameraman here today. Also, I'm finding some freaky stuff. Look at these buttons. It's freaky. Salvation Army round 2, Salvation Army round 2. These shoes are so cute, but look, they have like a story inside. What if something happened to you? What if it... Wow. I have made it back home. Everything's been washed. Everything's been styled. Oh, girl, I'm so excited. I got 12 different pieces, which is a lot. Okay, it is a lot. But I am in love with basically every single thing that I thrifted. First off, I have this Champion athletic skirt from Salvation Army. Got it for $2.50. It's looking very neon on camera, but it is like this pretty raspberry color. On the sides, it has these like ties. It has shorts under it, and it is just so cute. This is how I would style it. I'm wearing a Champion crew neck that I also thrifted, and then my hot pink and light pink Dr. Scholl's, and my pink and purple mini Trader Joe's tote bag. It is just simple. It is cute. It is just a really fun pop of color with any outfit. I feel good in it. Just easy breezy. Love it. On the second day of thrifting, I ended up finding a not as wearable top, but one that I think is really cute. Commence. I don't know if that is how you say it. I know this is fast fashion because the zipper is upside down and it's in a place where it doesn't make sense to really have a zipper. I loved the color combination and these wooden buttons on it. I was able to overlook that. This top is freaky, okay? It's like asymmetric, but it goes a little too long. I have my handy dandy sewing machine, so like if anyone is like, God, what is that? Like you need to do something about that, then maybe I will do something about that because I cannot tell if I like this or not. It's like halter, it's asymmetric, it's thicker on this side. I'm telling you, these wooden buttons, oh God, they got me. They're so big and pretty, and I love this like cream with this silky brown. I thought it was so cute. I did get it for $5.99. In theory, I love the concept of it, but I don't know if it's like making sense. I went for a pair of skater jeans. These are two-tone from American Eagle. My flip-flops, a brown bracelet, and then a puka shell sea star bracelet, and then this jean purse. I don't really know. I would love to incorporate these brown buttons elsewhere in the outfit, but I just don't think I have anything that does that. Do you see the triangle just is kind of in the middle and it goes very low? I wish that was more to the side or something. The buttons are misplaced. It just feels kind of funky. I don't think it's horrible. I am just having a difficult time styling this. It's kind of a lot going on. Also, somehow not enough. Any suggestions would be greatly appreciated because I'm a bit lost on it, but it is fun. Next is a black top, but this is really fun. Look at that. It's so like shimmery, shiny. The sleeves are like 3/4, which I don't usually go for something like that, but I was like, you know what? This is really cute. Something about this like sparkle. I was like, oh my God, it is so cute. I got this for $3.50. There's no brand on it, no size. It's a little cropped, but it's not too cropped, so I feel like it hits me at the perfect spot. Here's the outfit that I came up with. I want to wear this out so bad. I think it is so cute. Silver hoop earrings, a black bag that has like this ruffle texture on it, my black mini skirt from American Eagle, white tube socks, and I recently thrifted this. I have on these cute studded flats, and they have this like strap across the top of my foot, and it is just so cute. The brand is A New Day, which means it's just from Target. Love these shoes with this top. I feel like they were made for each other. I absolutely adore this outfit. I love the shininess of this top. It's just such a small little detail that I find to be very charming. Next, I got a pair of sandals. They are A New Day. They have these woven flowers. I love the texture on these. They are a size too big, which is tough, but I like them enough that I don't care that they look a little, I don't think they look clownish on me, but I do think that they look like they're a size too big. These were only $1.50. Before I show you the outfit, I'm going to show you a piece of jewelry that I got at the Salvation Army as well. This was $1.99. I think it's definitely for kids, but somehow it matches my style perfectly. So beautiful. It has this like little plastic starfish and this little like fake pearl. The chain is like this pink, blue, purplish. I saw this and I was like, this is what I'm missing in my closet. I have this white Fruit of the Loom top that I thrifted at Goodwill Ben's. Brown purse that has such nice texture on it, and it has silver studs in it. I don't know how I feel about this. I've been trying to style this skirt for like 4 years now. Love the pattern and it's so beautiful. I just feel like it's a tad bit too long for me. I have a little claw clip. This outfit is so cute. I do feel like I look a little bit Mormon in this, which is not bad, but it is a little bit more conservative than I usually go for. But I think it's fun to experiment with fashion. But either way, I love these shoes and I love, love, love this necklace. Like I said, I got 12 items, but 2 of them I'm not going to style today because one, I don't know how, and the other one it's just like, oh, whatever. I got these Stars Above shorts for $2.50. It's so soft. It has like these little stripes on it. I have actually gotten so much wear out of this. Love these. Just been wearing them around the house and like a little this, a little that, like whatever. Another thing that I won't be styling because frankly, I don't know how to. I really want to get into scarves and stuff. Some scarves I know I can wear as a belt. This one I could, but I also think that this scarf is so beautiful that I want to kind of use it as a centerpiece in my outfit. Got this scarf $2.50. There's dark brown, chocolate brown, I guess, pale blue, and pink in this. A lot of it is sheer, so I don't know how to style that. There are some gold flecks in it as well. It's just very subtle. Obviously, I can't just like wear this as a top because it is sheer. Well, I could. I would just have to be a little bit more creative. If anyone has any suggestions, let me know because I would love to learn how to style this and really use it to its fullest potential because it is just so, so beautiful. Next, I found this tank top. The brand is The Limited. There is a tag on this that says when it was made, April of 05, 0405. It is widely regarded that something is considered vintage when it is 20 years old, and this is 21 years old. Miss Girl can drink now. The details are just incredible on this. Also, I got this for $1.50. First off, this pattern is so beautiful and bright. Just so fun. Love these purples and pinks and blues and blacks, yellow and blues, and a lot of colors going on, but it still looks really nice together. Look at this little band that goes across the front. It's velvet, and this beading is so beautiful. The straps are the same color as the velvet, but I love this like dark maroony kind of color. It has 2 layers of mesh, this peachy pink color, and then this pattern one. Lettuce hem. It looks like curly cues. It is just so cute. I wanted to kind of lean into the old school vintagey look. I'm saying words that don't make sense. So I'm pairing this with bell bottom dark wash American Eagle jeans, a little locket necklace, Y2K jean purse. I thought that would be kind of fun to pair with this. For shoes, I just did my Birkenstock sandals. I think it's cute, but I do think that I could do this top a lot more justice than I am. So again, any suggestions would be greatly appreciated. This year, for some reason, I'm like really getting into baseball. I'm a St. Louis Cardinals fan because I'm from St. Louis, but I've lived in LA for the past 5 years. So now I'm kind of converted to like an Angels and a Dodgers fan. Controversial, I know, bandwagoner, I don't care. I saw this LA top and I was like, oh my God, it's Victoria's Secret pink and a collaboration with Major League Baseball. Got it for $2.50. It's like the classic early 2000s pink t-shirt. It says strike 'em out on the back. On the sleeve, it has pink. And then on the front, it just has LA. This is classic. I remember when I was in middle school, I would see high schoolers wearing stuff like this. And I was like, wow, they are so cool. I feel like I can just like picture someone with 2 orange foundation caked onto their face, boot cut jeans, and some Uggs. You're seeing the vision. Unfortunately, I know. That is not how I am deciding to style this, but I did want to go kind of early 2000s route. With this top, I have navy blue yoga pants, and I think they look really cute. Again, I feel like I would also see girls wearing yoga pants with this kind of thing. And I did wear my Converse with this. I have a black headband, my Hello Kitty necklace, and then my pink and lavender mini Trader Joe's tote bag. I'm feeling really cute in this, and I love the strike 'em out on the back. It's a little cheeky, it's a little fun, it's a little cute. I am such a sucker for tube tops. When I saw this, I grabbed it so quick. It's red. It's like a little bit ribbed. It has a built-in bra. It's from Old Navy originally. I got it for $1.50. Amazing. It looks a little neon on camera, but it is a paler red because this is just like a plain tube top. You can style it however, so I just went super simple, easy easy route. I have a claw clip, these Gap linen pants. I could wear it with sandals or Converse or flip-flops. It is such a great basic. I can add more color to it. I can let it be the only color of an outfit, and I love that. This is 100% cotton. The little button up, it has these wooden buttons. The brown buttons add a lot to this top. It's just such a fun little addition. It has a little pocket on it. It's this white, pink, orange, and yellow striped top. Very oversized. The brand is Apple Seeds. I did see a white, blue, green, and maybe yellow one, and that one I was like, you know what? I don't want to take them both, so I left that one, but I was like, oh, it's so cute. It is going to be so perfect for beach days, or if I'm like walking around in the sun and I don't want the sun beating down on my shoulders. Got it for $3.50. Here's my outfit. I am actually so in love. This red top I thrifted recently. One of my old roommates made me these earrings. They're yellow little flowers. Abercrombie shorts, 100% silk scarf as an accessory. I have this cloth tote bag almost, but it has these like little shimmery things on it, and it reminds me of being a little girl because I had a pink one like this. I just have my Birkenstocks, and I feel like it's a perfect neutral to tie in this colorful outfit. I really just love this button up. I think it is so pretty. I would love to wear this with a bikini underneath, in the house, out of the house, as an accessory, as the entire top. It is just such a perfect summer top. I left the most extravagant it's not extravagant, but I got a dress. It has a paper tag, so I think it is vintage. The brand is XI. See the paper tag and then XI. Got this for $4.50. It's like a T-length dress, I think. It is just so beautiful. It's a tube dress, which, like I was saying, I love a tube top, love a tube dress. This is her. I feel like it fits me so well. For jewelry, my great grandma's watch, this pearl bracelet, this necklace from Tiffany's, the perfect little dainty necklace. I just have my Kate Spade clutch. It's not a clutch, but it's very small and slim. It's this pale pink. I would love to put a heel with this, but I don't have any black heels that aren't boots, so I felt like the flat did the job. Wish I did have a little bit of height and length on this outfit, but I absolutely adore this dress. I think it is so beautiful. I just love it. Those are the 12 pieces that I thrifted, 9 different outfits. Feeling good, feeling great. So that's it. Please, I beg you, if you have any suggestions or any thoughts or like any way that you think I should style something, I would absolutely love to hear it. I like looked on Pinterest for a lot of this, but how can I be like, well, some of it, I was like vintage tank top outfit, whatever. But you know, it's not always that easy. Please help me. I can use all the help that I can get. Thank you so much for hanging out, and thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my very minimal thrift vlog and my bigger thrift try on haul. I will see you next time for whatever we get up to. Bye.